Hi there YouTube fans. Wow, 2 videos in one day. What a shock horror. Well, look, I thought I'd quickly talk to you about sinusitis. What a nightmare. It's terrible. If you had sinusitis ever in your life, it's a nightmare. I've had 2 operations, 2 surgeries to relieve my sinusitis, and still hasn't cured me forever. I've been suffering for at least a week with really bad sinus on the left hand side, and I've tried decongestants and antihistamines and all sorts of horrors. What seems to finally work for me is this product here, Flow. So basically this is a nasal and sinus douche. So what you do is you use filtered water or boiled water. You have to be careful not to introduce a bacteria or a parasite or anything like that into your nasal cavity. So you fill that up with purified water. I was using it's chlorinated water that's been boiled, and then I microwaved it as well for 15 seconds. You get a little satchel like this. That's 2. Okay? Now the ingredients are sodium chloride, in other words salt, sodium bicarbonate, potassium chloride, which is almost salt as well, glucose, which helps not dry it out so much, your nose, calcium, glucose anhydrous, calcium lactate pentahydrate, 200 mils of lukewarm pre-boiled water, and shake until fully dissolved. So you get one of those. I can rip it in half because I've just opened it. Well done. Oh well, I'll use that tomorrow. You take your open satchel, you put your water in there, you put the powder in there, close it tightly, and you make sure you don't put any pressure in the bottle, because or else the water's going to come out. You shake it up, and then you put your head forward over a sink and you push the bottle, you squeeze it so that the water comes out of the alternate nostril. I see the video, it's very interesting how I'm doing it, but it's kind of gross, but I tell you what, when you get the relief, it's worth it. So you do up to half for one nostril, then you lean forward, put it up here, and flow, get the water flowing and the solution, and clean out the other nostril. I normally give it a good blow into a hanky or tissue, and do that, I'd say minimum a couple of times a day. Now, after a week of suffering, when I started doing this again, this is Flow, it's called in Australia, it cleared up. I mean, today I haven't got any sinus pain. It's fantastic. And when it clears up, don't forget about it. I mean, keep doing it for at least a few more days anyway after it feels better. So that's what I do. I've tried the antihistamine because there seems to be an allergic response in my case. I've tried so what's this? Fexofenadine hydrochloride 180 milligrams. That's the antihistamine I tried. I tried the decongestant, which has got pseudoephedrine, however you pronounce that, hydrochloride. None of that worked. None of that stuff worked. I tried the steroid sprays, really limited relief, and every time this stuff saves my life. So if you got anything like that in your country or in Australia, we've got one product called Flow. Hope that helps you. I did this video for myself as well because I got a really bad memory, especially at the moment, and that seems to really help. Steam as well, you know, there's a little beauty steamer face mask thing that I've found some relief from that too, but I every time I seem to do this for a couple of days, I seem to cure my problem for a while until next time something happens, you know, next attack, let's say. Alright, I hope that helps you. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and God bless, and take care of yourself. Be good. Bye for now.